Hi everyone, welcome back. Ki mua apau kamata o ko kore ki faufaua I ngai fakataha kotoa pe o tawanga mahen kiai. Pea o whape o ko mo lelei pe o mo ngai whanua. Ko whia whakamalo mo loto honga ia aupito atu ki he takataha kotoa pe na si mea mai ke live whakamui mo o mai ngahi feedback he. Ne ongo pe positive, negative, tatawai pe o tau whakamalo pe o si whia tuku taimi mai ki mautolu ki he whakahoha atu o ku whai. Pako ki live ka o ko whia mao ke no pe. Pea focus pe ki ka veinga o ko tau mua ki ai. Pea o ko whia mao pe ke whakamahino ki a ki mautolu koeni o ku lahe back and forth he issue kan whikau aki ki a Lavulavu. Pea o ko whia mao pe ke whakamahino o pikai ki a haloto tau whehi a pe ko ha tā parasia ka ko tui mahalo o ku mahu inga aupito ke tuku atu e au ia ai uhinga o ko pehe ai e au o ku tonu ke ta oa te tau whakapalataha pea o tonu ke tau whenga ke tau ki hanga o investigate ai other side of the issue. Ne ongo peu tau popo ki ai pe ikai ka ko tui mahalo o ka pau e lava ke feinga'i tau opinion ke base I ha mea o ku ui ka substance pe ko ha opinion o ko whakakau I whakalelei. I think e mahu inga ia ke mau ilo e mea koni o ko o si hanga e awia o research ki ai, mo lau ki ai, he oku lahi ai longoa a mo e lahi tautou tala e ko e loto whehi a tala atu e ia ko e heke pe ko e poupou I e takataha ha mo ha he. Pako mo o ni ia he ke tau agree tau tōria he everything he ke mea kotoa. O ka pau e ave tau le volo koko o tau o whaika e tau dialogue mo e tau whenga kumiko ke mo o ni ke o mai ha ngahi substance ke tala noa ko tui e aonga ia. Pea ko whia mau pe ke whakamahi not ka ki mautou koko o ikai ke tau tui fakataha. It's okay, you're entitled to your opinion he. Pa koe ke pehe ia o mo popo I kovi he ku waipe ani hia unau tok pe nau tole lelei. Me he toko taha koe unau mui ki ai pe unau whalara ki ai. Kai hana nau toria o tuku atu e toi ngā ke tawha aki. Sai pe ia, mea lelei ia. Pa ko wailewa ka kai e ni ihi. Whe mao e nau toru ia a facts he. Ke mui ki he ngahi information o unau o si whekumi nau toru ki ai. Pea kunau ilo I nau tolu ia o ka paku iaha le koti ha tō taha. O ku aonga ke tau sibi lelei ai le koti o toko taha ko ia. Pea toki form e tau opinion o form whakalelei ka o e whakapala taha pe te tau fuu not take seriously ha whahinga issue whika aku e lao he. Ka koe mea pe o ko ki whia share atu ai foi keisi koe ni Lavulavu o ku teu ki ai ki whale HOPO, aia ko he teu HOPO eni ki he unuaki o tonga Royal Institute, aia na ton ke whai I e peleli, pea to e toloi mai eni, ka hange ka au mahalo e waweni pe ha hoko ka ko mea koko, weko whemau ke o atu e opinion. O ko whemau au ke hanga o share atu, ai tutuni koko a whakamau, ki hanga ko koe ai evidence ko koe na o mai ko koe ke keisi. He na e whai ai pakoen o onbe laptop ke hanga o lawa pe me ai. He na e tutuuni Justice Cato I he hanga e Lavulavu whie mau ke ua te na HOPO fakataha mo Akosita. Ka aike na HOPO kehekehe. Aia koe o kui ko severance, aia na e kore ke mea ke HOPO pea sita HOPO pea Lavulavu ia Lavulavu. He tai tui a lavu ia e toi wesi ia ka hopo fakataha mo sita I he keisi. Aia, ne whemau ia ke haue evidence kokoe o ko mai ko Akosita, ke hange o ku toi bias mo we sia ina chances ia ana. Pa koe pe mo ni huka lao, tak tau whikumi ai ngahi avenues, pa ngahi tutu ni lao, te lava o ngawe aki makita. So koe ka ha mea kovi ai. Hei ka kowhia mau pe ke kamata, koe pēsi taha ua ai tutu uni koka a justice keiro koe ki he kore severance, pa koe aige na HOPO separately. Ka koe whui mea pe koe whi mau ke focus ki ai hau kufu too much information ai uwha matala ia. Ta koe mea mahu inga koe audit report, he? Aia aho valu o epeleri, na whaitohi ai Ministry of Education Training, ai ko MAT, na whaitohi ki he, I'll read you exactly what it says. On April 2016, the complainant wrote a saving gram to the Office of the Tonga Office of the Auditor General, requesting that the TVET grants to UTRI be audited. Aia ko UTRI ko apia ko ia ko Lavulavu mo Akosita. Aia na whai kore ai Ministry of Education ke whai ha audit. Pea whai lewa aia ko whai tohi e peleri a havalu whai lewa audit a ho nima o topa wao no taha no. Aia koe ngahi highlighting koko ai audit, na as koko he report koko ai whare HOPO. Aia koe one, the first one, there was only 6 paying students for the first semester of 2013. Therefore, UTRI, ai ko hingoia a Lavulavu mo Akosita, they were only entitled to receive 3,600. Aia, ko toko ono pe na ma'u ai tamaiki ako I he semester ko ia. Pea na toko nima ngeau ai toko taha ko ono ngeau e toko taha ai students Pea na tonu ke toluafi ono ngeau pe ka na hanga he TVET, aia ko TVET ko department ni ai ako, o ko nau hanga ako I ko fanau ko ke trade, vocational. Ai ko TVET ia. Pa ko granted me he TVET, na nau oange ki apako ko na lavu mo Akosita. So, aia ko foi toko ono pe, ai tamaiki ako ko koe na wako I he foi rak semester ko koe ua noa taha tolu. Pea koe paanga na tonke na mau ko toluafi ono ngeau. Foi toluafi ono ngeau. Kana totongi a taha kilu whamano ono afe. Mosio ke kehekehe, aia toluafi ono ngeau na tonke totongi. Pea koe taha kilu whamano ono afe whangeau ia, na pei auti ko koe ki he apiako. Sai, hoko mai, second finding, there were only 9 paying students for the second semester of 2014. Therefore, UTRI was only entitled to receive 5,400. I grant ko a TVET. Kana totongi ai wakilu wha mano hi wafe ni mangeau walu noa. Mea hoko mai, pa ko court document, ko court document ko ni o available online ke public. Aia, anybody can look this up, anybody can read this. Ko auditor general ko nane whai ai audit ko ni ko se whitatangi. Pa ko ne ripoti ni ngai highlight in me ripoti. Sai ko mea hoko mai, there were only 4 paying students. Toko wha I he first semester of 2015. Pena tonke pei out pe wafe wha ngeau kana mau I he apiako ai tahakiru ono mano wafe ono ngeau. Pea aia ko ngahi highlighten ko koe o paanga koe oku feinga'i ai tuku aki I mismanagement of funds, pako uhinga ngahi founga koe ni case koe ni na LAHI ai fanau ako ia na kai ke whakafonu whakalelei ai ngahi form koe application koe fanau ako na tuku aki I PEHE pa whamatala, but it's so long, he wika whi mao awe ke tau fuu lere ai he koe main highlight pe koe mea ko whi mao koe o ke whakamatala atu. Ke hui ke mahina o koe ke PEHE ni o mau nofo tau whihia ke Lavulavu out of the blue, he? But just because people want the truth and want facts, o koe ke uhinga hea koe motive ko whihia, he? He te ura pea pea atu, ke whihia koe ia mau tolu he tala te mōni. So, aia koe whainga circular reason ia koe ia, it's not logical, he? He koe whainga tukakia PEHE he ke mauaha me. Aia ka kowhia mau pe ke whakamatala atu, koe uhinga oku mau PEHE ai, ke mau cautious, pe koe mau tokanga ki he ngahi whakamatala po ngahi involvement koe ni a Lavulavu ke ak moi Pule'anga moi ngahi mea ngani hoko mea oku iai ure koti, he? Oku very troubling, he? He ka mausio ke fupaanga ni makiru koe ni nai na totongi koe ni he Pule'anga, pa tukaki he Pule'anga koe forgery e documents, pe moe false pretenses, he? Ngahi mea PEHE. Oku very serious ia ke hataha oku maalunga I he Pule'anga. Mo hataha oku ni hanga mau hano fu power I he Pule'anga. Ke ne whai ngahi to'onga PEHE ni, he? He ko Akosita, she's a member of our cabinet, he? And you know, this sort of illegal charges, charges for illegal activities or what have you. In any other country, he ke tari hatahaya ke ngā aue, oku iai ha pending court case, oku te uhanga ki ai. Ko muri ka anga maheni, resign, tari koe ki HOPO, beto koko at. Especially ko audit pen a Pule'anga. He, ko hamea ka hao a Pule'anga, o whauhafu audit, hiri ko ia ko nau tolu pe. So, it makes no sense. He, o ka pau, na ko audit in ia, na to whai mai pe ha private party, but they'll find out ko totongi e hai mo hai, pa ko hana connection ia ana, ko haki kulupu o kunau anti-Lavulavu for whatever reason. Pea tau toki lava leva ke tau PEHE, they had an agenda, he, pe naha nau motive ma kehe. Ka koe, aia te ki hoka pe ke ki lau atu ai ngahi mea koe ni, in response to the audit report, I atau no me wa no atahafitu, na meeting a Lavulavu, pa mo CEO o Ministry of Education, aia ko Claude Dupo, mo ne Deputy MATU'A and the Auditor General, Sefitatangi. Pa I he meeting, I he tau fakataha, Lavulavu to a certain extent accepted the fact that only 19 students over 3 years paid school fees. Aia na miai pe PEHE na e pe degree a Lavulavu na agree ai mo audit, he na ne osi hanga o tari lelei pe koe fanau ako pe toko tahahiwa. Na totongi and our school fees. I whai tau e tolu, whai tau e tolu whanau ako pe tahahiwa. So all these hundreds of students ko koe na totongi ko koe he Pule'anga koe and now grant koe ke he apiako ko koe ai Unuaki Tonga Royal Institute. They were all kind of, I mean, my own interpretation, aia koe forgery, names pe and we'll get to that. Ai ta hoka teva ko investigate ka policy reveal na hanga his staff my students under the direction of Etuate Lavulavu and Akosita Lavulavu told them kenau ki public or recruit ma ha students now o recruit maha tamaiki ako. They were required to complete the student application form. Aia ko staff pe ia na nau te whakawhonu u pepa application koe ka kai ko na tutuun ke o recruit mai. The form of payment accepted by the institute. Aia na tari he api ako, ai payment in cash, agreement to work for the institute, by way of student loan contract agreement, pea te alwai mo commodity exchange, aia whatever that is, ko hange ko ni commodity, ko hakawhainga koloa, mo scholarship, aia ko e ngahi form of payment, and ko nai ai. Ko whinga peke skip peke he main highlights ko mea, he koe ke whema ke whuloloa, he ko whema upe ke whakamatala atu. You know, and this is not his first court case, na the court case ko koe Amerika, and that happened here in the 1990s, I think ko tahiwa fitu. The involvement ko i he forgery documents whikau aki ko koe mo citizenship ko koe kakai tonga na ngā we whakataha mo whewhine na ngā we i he Department of Amerikani ko Vital Statistics. Ai ko nā tolu o ngā responsible ki he issue ko koe ha birth certificate ha taha. Pea nā lao ia a Utah o ka pau, I think it's called delayed birth certificate or something like that. Anyway, o ka pau o ku mole ho ure koti, ko ke mau, e lava pe ke o mai hangahi secondary evidence, ke whai aki ho to reissue, ke to reissue mai how passporti or an American birth certificate saying that whai iko Amerika. Pako mau pe ko ho birth certificate, it's done. Osi hugo ia. I mean, you're naturally an American if you have a birth certificate in America. Pea i he whai case ko ia na e hapu ki he toko ono, mako toko ono noa e kau tonga na nau kawai, I he whai case ko ni Amerika, pea mamaha Lavulavu ia. So he left, kana e osi hanga e Amerika ia o issue a warrant for his arrest, Aia skip forward, na e toki fōma lavu I hene meeting, ko ene alu I hene meeting whakawharearea. I want to say ko ne alu ki Bangladesh, if I remember correctly, But na fōmai so reiki, Ka o osi hanga he ka polisi ia o iai ene warrant for his arrest. Pea ko ene fōmai pe koe ni I Amerika ni in 2003, o nau puke iai, and they took him straight in. Pena e kiai pe a ki seo atu a Pule'anga Amerika, he's pe uku wehane immunity, hoku member of parliament, time ko ia. Pea whai atu pe hena, I think ko felony charges na lahi aupito, how many counts of felony charges na hanga koko o tukua kiai I he fo'i mea koe na hoko. So, from what I remember, na hua lavu, I he selo, as he calls it, o mahalo na me wikatolua, Pea, for whatever reason, go tui na whawhai atu pe mea, pe hanga toko taha, I he nā toko tolu lavu mo no brother, mo e whiwhine koe ni na ngāu he birth certificate officer. So, someone took the blame, peki hi Hawaii o whoki koko ki Tonga, So, aia koe first incident ia koko o ta whawhanongo ki ai, pa hoko mai koe ni ki he, mea koe na hoko koe 2015, I he case koe whikau ake koe mo bribery I he election, aia na mao ngai whakambo oni, me he kakai I ne wāhenga, na hao totongi nā tolu, na ike ke hauia o PEHE mai, se niti ana mo mai o whiri au, I kai. Kakai nia na na claim, na ngari kehekehe na tolu ia I he hoko koko a taimi whiriwharea rea. O wharapeku asia ngeia out of the blue, uninvited, hange kutu mai he matapāha ki I whare la langa o li atu ha ni manoa poko ha poko ha te au pa pehe atu kumbia kena ha mo ki whakamoromoko things like that poko ha ne ala ka whine MATU'A o repeat the same thing but ai whine motu'a na whakamatala ia na kake ne tari ea seniti kake ne tari ea seniti pea ne tuku pe ea ai mahana e o mai kaure ka ia o ave na kake ne ongo I ea o appropriate kiai ke ne tari ha seniti pehe ai mahako toko ua pe ko toko tolu na ne hanga o whakamooni ko kiai pea ave foki o ke whakamauanga pea na ko uhingai o koe ke kawai a Lavulavu I he whale area pako keisi leire sen kon na whakamatala atu so koe ka kai ko pehe koe mau loto tau whehia mo ki do a little bit of research before you make judgment o ku mau loto whehia pe ko ha mea if anybody claims after hearing facts ko fakataha and you still claim ko loto tau whehia ta ko lao ia ko whehia ko kiai ke whehia ko he mooni mo totonu kiai pe right ia Lavulavu ke ha o talanoa mo lea he le tio and we like watching him he's entertaining o ko issue ia ko issue ia ke kakai ko ni fonua ba mo toko lahi ni oku ke whema o ke hape kakaya koe ni mo ngai keisi peheni ke na o mai na tō taki ki tau tolu mea ni ku hongi a tonga kakai lelei I mean think about it oku o ta whema o ke sio mai ai generation koe ni o nau kei tupu hake mo nau whia mui e politiki ke o te nau confused mo nau pehe I guess it's okay if you commit fraud and forgery and whatever and man people are gonna love you right you're gonna be a hero and popular I have to think ke tau eke ka ki tau tolu is this the message we want to send out to them koe tau whahinga tasi pinga eni I mean o koe ke uhinga ke pehe o koe ke te ha totonu ia a Lavulavu ke mea ka ko uhinga peke ka ki tau tolu koe ni o ku tau push ko koe a pulelelei mo integrity mo hāfua because whether we know it or not e ten hanga ia o damage e tau image e ten hanga ia o ai ke tau tolo ke tau lose credibility te tau hange ko o ku tau like blind followers is I guess what I'm trying to say but you know what ko totonu ako if you're okay with that that's fine o ke hanga ia o pehe ko hapalo palema ka ko mea ko ke tala mai ka ki mau tolu o ku mau loto kovi mo mau loto kona mo hāfua I think that's not fair ho koe ke hango based ho ngahi allegations mo ngahi mea ko ia I he reality so na whia mau peke ki lawe no atu pe kiai ke hui ke mahino o ku kehe ha politiki tau whehia o ka pau te unofau ia o post ha mea kovi kau ki let's say South Sovaleni Hirikanka na ke fai South ha kovi ka ko nofau ia o post kiai mo hanu kiai mo create ha whahinga mea ke roto kovi kakai kiai but they'll agree leva ko roto kovi the guy's doing a good job, leave him alone, Ai ko ngahi politiki ko justify ai ha ita ko ha taha. Ka paule ko kwai ha objective evidence mo ngahi mea ka taha patauhanga ai hake. I think it's fair ke hanga to taha ko ya o ai ene opinion be ya ana pe o ma attack o laukovi mai, like we're the bad guy, hey? Like I'm the one who scammed I met out of $500,000, eh? Aia tahana toria o mau e whahinga mentality, ko tahana to make heroes out of villains and make villains out of, you know, heroes, eh? Aia o hange ki au o tau au atatore ke whahinga to onga ko ia, he? Aia ko nofe kakaia le a kovi ke ene awhio, tap moia, hiri ko ia, o ku feinga ne lele taha ke malu I motaki a tonga ka kuonga o toi sayange, ka nofa ni ia villainize him, he? Kai sai pe kakaia koni o nau hanga koko o whae u mau lao mo ngahi mea ko ia, eh? So it almost seems like o ku ki upside down e tau mea fua, eh? And it doesn't mean ke tau hanga e tau tori o put down ha kakai una o ai e nau HOPO mo me, but we have to be realistic. Ai a koe uhinga ni koe ai mau position people like me, he? We want to be realistic about who we're dealing with, he? He koe lahi koe ai longoa, especially koe a tanuhala. If you notice koe ngahi issues koe a tanuhala, koe lahi ai different stories, ngahi maneuver, aini koko o me lele pe ko he Unuaki Royal University, yeah? So, you know, last minute changes of names, you know, lying about not knowing, you know, who the companies are when it is your company that you just changed your name like a week ago. You know, fahinga mea PEHE, it makes people wonder, yeah? And people have a right to wonder. He ko boso ke ni makilu kon o ku vainga aki ko kakai. Ko paanga nia ai masiva, pa ko paanga nia ai kakai na o sweat ho now blood mo now heart and soul ke nau ngawe honestly, yeah? O nau ngawe maa to kon ko na family. And you know, we have to respect ai paanga to kawe ai kakai. He ko paanga na me auria ke nau fanau mo nau family. And also ke seke masiva, fele kakai masiva, te ke awa te toko ni u apiako, te ke osi honolanga. So, you know, we have to look at the bigger picture mo tau sio whakalelei pe, he kuiai pe a merit ai ngahi ta loto ai kakai ni ihi, ke ona fu push, he? Ke ona fu push pe he ko a lavu. And everybody is entitled to push and now, you know, fakataha, their hero, whatever. That's fine. I don't have a problem with it, eh? Kako uhinga pe, kono lahi ono tukwaki ai, you know, ai kakai ko na o hake ko u issue ko ni pe tala ia ko loto ko vi ko tau fehe, eh? Pa ku hanga leba ngahi allegations ia ko ia, one hanga ia o whakalelei a me a ko ne kakai ko ni o na whai, eh? It's like, now he's a victim, eh? Now people just hate him for no reason, eh? That's not true. Yeah, he's not a victim. O ka victim inia o tau nofo o bully, o tau nofo o pick on. There's a reason why people, you know, say certain things, eh? And we have to be fair. O ka pa na tau hanga o CV e ka patoa hangin ko nigo tuiwata na mo piven, yeah? Na ke lava haki foi mea piven mo tuiwata o fai without us talking about it, without us posting about it. E na hangin na ha camera 24 hours ya na mui holo he ongo poko. And so get the out. If we make excuses for people we like or people we think we side with, kai ka tau toki hanga pe tau toria to hofia kakai go o tau tu kehekehe, double standard levai ai tau we're no better than the people that we're fighting against. So pehe now me afua na to toki ita pe ka taha ka pau o now against tu kehekehe ngai me pehe. So I just want ke whaiateki tala no koeni ke clarify ngai uhinga koeni oku mau ki very cautious ai when it comes to Lavulavu, eh? It's not because we don't like him. I think Lavulavu is one of the most interesting political figures in our time. Oku Pule'anga Lavulavu, the 90% of the politicians out there. But kulahi mea tau ako me iai. And he's very smart. He's funny. But tahanga tatolia o pick up in the whahinga vocab o Taungaue Aki he. Ka kulahi pene in the intafihi. Aia prana e lahi intafihi lavu. I think, lavu for PM. I don't have a problem with that. Ka ko mea pe o tau sio at kiai. We preach one thing, and then we have to make sure tatau e tau action mo tau words. At least for me, he ka pau o ko hanga ia o push hataha o si ilo pe o koe ngahi, shady dealings. Then that means I'm giving permission that that's okay. And then at the same time, te tolea ka whai halata. Heoku te nof pikita popo. I think ko mea bea nau fia mau ke mahi no I o ku kehe a e tau hanga o malui a e public interest mo e tau feinga ke oa te tau hanga o PEHE. This is the face of our side. He's the representative. He's the spokesman. Ma ai kau no pere. He's the spokesman for kau independenti. Ma tu fo ke sio kakai o fai kehekehe. All they'll see is Lavulavu mo e Pule'anga. And so Lavulavu has become the spokesman for the government. Because he's out there telling us what the government does, what the government will do, and what the government won't do. So he's literally the face of this government. So it makes me wonder, I hope they have read his case. He koe ki whakamatala no pe nia ai Justice Cato. Bako whakamuimuina kekehanga Justice Cato o Grant o tukuanga lavu ke HOPO makehe nanehanga o tutuuni pe paupeke na HOPO fakataha he o ikai ke feunga ne ngahi poini ko koe na ne whai mai ake ne kore koe ke na HOPO makehekehe ke mea ke hoko ia pa talange he whakamauanga ke alo kumhane loea o e hata loea how complicated I guess ko ni you better lawyer up buddy is basically what Justice Cato said. What's that saying? Only a fool has himself for a lawyer. Tok fatondon mahataha ko bago o ku hala ku mau. Kaya ko advice ni ko na ua aki I hope ko na I alu ko na apiven ke courthouse ko na alopua tutuni fa mau elopua. Alu ko ngegi mui ke feitu ko na ai kau kalasion no papahia o te kau kaimu a mahe wa haloe ako And so anyway, and we want to be honest and straight. Hako tuka lahi ko koe ai tau lo ako tau feinga ko koe ke mea. Ke o te tau step io ke ko lo ulu Lavu's gonna need a lot of lo ulu for this case he ko hangi ko ai hake to tas inganga lo ulu but ako lahi stress faka'ofa ai severance mo laukilu ko ni ekehe mea ekehe he whakamauanga. And if Lau is innocent, God bless him. Hoko atu ne interfihi pa tau pa tau popo, whatever the law says. Pa koe ke uhinga niya ke upea ia guilty or not. No, I'm just sharing whakamatala ko koe whakamauanga pa mo whaiteliha motoria he form homo opinion he koe langa pe ai mea. But anyway, ko whakamalo atu ke kau admini kulupu. You're watching. Thank you so much. Homo ngā welele i koni umo si whai I he tokoni, mo e feinga whakamama, mo e feinga peke puke ai a melino, mo tau whinga peke tau fair. Hoku mahu inga ke ua te tau lose sight of the bigger picture. And, we try to treat everyone equally. And we play fair. I think we play fair. And we want to give everyone due process. But at the same time, tolerate a whahinga tō onga koe ni o ku mausio atu pē ki ngahi case la lahi na e mea. And we want to be realistic, he? Ke oa te mau kamo mau toruia I ha cheerleading section, but osen koia, then we have to go, oops, he did it again, you know? So anyway, so whamaloat ko mo ki tune in mai pe you know, let's keep fighting for the good fight. He ko mea maho inga tau whekumi ke mooni. He ka pau ko tau whekumi pia tau toruia ki ha ke tau win, e tau whahai, poko e tau mālohi angi ka mate whahai koe, e mua lewa ai whangi minor things ia I he mea maho inga. He ko anga ko tui, if we stick to the basics, ai pulelelei, whai totonu, mo atakitu'a, mo, you know, accountability, ngahi mea PEHE, we don't have to worry about, you know, whanfu kempeni, langa whale ta e permiti poko hata wo, o peni lau mano ki he totongi ake ha, because we're not the Red Cross, we're not a charity organization, but kaya pepa anga e Pule'anga, mo kau donor skog na o mai ke toko ni e kakai, yeah? So there's plenty of money ke toko ni e kakai, we just have to push good policies ko ya ke hoko and the government is doing a good job I toko ni ko ke kakai. So thank you so much ka ki motor mo si tukutaimi o mo mea mai. And, you know, kora whamoremorat ka ki motoru o ku mo si PEHE o ku, you know, tu noa I o te whatala noa ki he issue ko ni, you know, sorry, we don't stay silent when we, you know, feel like we need to speak up, he? But ko uhinga pe nau ki fia share atu ni, because na kai ku whatonga au na LAHI ha no whakamatala mahe media, pa PEHE, you know, I think people should see it for the sake of transparency, he? Ke hui ke ilo e kakai, o ke ai pe e mau ngahi uhinga, o ke kai ke mau fuu, puna up and down, he? Ke hato kata. O ke uhinga ea, ko whehia. It's just, you know, we just know, ke ki take time, ko HOPO e nau toi hoko mai, you know, just be cautious. Hange koe mea, proceed with caution. Yeah? So I think, you know, that's the best advice for us. You know, everybody's free to their own opinion. Ka koe anga pēnea, tu kua te ngahi mea koe ni oku mau tokanga mau tolu kiai, mo mau feinga ke ai pe ke mahino, ai background. Pa tonu pēia ke mea. Ko tonga o ko stonu pēia ke na hanga ai ha system. O ka pau waha criminal history o ha taha I ha whanua. O koe ke tonua ke kau I ha senior level of government. But wa stonu pe ke require ha background check me ka kai koko na no for overseas. He koa when I worked for the airlines. They did a 10-year federal background check. Aina na o na tole foi tawe hongo full, man te foka security go malapa ka puna fu pele ngesi. So na foki na te foi tawe hongo full, fak ka totolo I te mea ka to apena na feinga'i aue he fu malu aupito fe make malu aupito ai mea. A access ko ke uvaka puna mo mea PEHE. He kanau ma'u haki fo I criminal history o tole koti automatic pe disqualify ko kita. And this is for an airline. Okay? So we're talking about a fu Pule'anga, pe o fu pele ngesi aupito ai malu I misi ko koe Pule'anga, especially ke kakai o kunau kabineti, o kakai o kunau advisor ki he pare mia. You know, oku mahalo ko mea peta wanga whakatonga we ke tau te tokanga tau toria ki he image to the rest of the world, he? Ka kunehanga o bring down a level mo standard ko kono whakalele ho ta Pule'anga o toi ki maulaloangi, he? Ka koe tau whenga ke tau go the other direction. He? Ki o mai ai kakai ko but it discourage leba kakai ko poto, he? He ko haia e fie alu o ako I Harvard. Pe hao o compete mahataha na university I he selo. You know, and so we have to remember about the whemau kakailelei kenau compete ki he unga welele koe Pule'anga mo o mai e tau kakailelei kenau whakalele ho tau Pule'anga. Then to me, it seems like o pau ke whaha tau ki clean house mo ha tau set a better standard. Ka ngā peu opinion. And you know, like they say, everyone's opinions are like you know, anal cavities. Everyone has one. That's what an opinion is. So anyway, how long I've been rambling on, but I just want to say famalo apito como si lapa mai mo kehekehe oku si tukate ki whakamatala koe ni pa ke tuk whaiteiria koe ia pe te ke mahi noi mo ke PEHE make sense e anga koko e mautui. If not, kei lelei pe beautiful like a swimming pool. So whakamaloa ko mo tuin mai, and hoka tupe e tau whanonga mo tau whenga pe ke tau lue he mo oni. And, you know, God works in mysterious ways, And so, koe ke tau ilo e tau toruia ai, e ka haupa koe ke tau whemau e tau ke count anyone out, Ka koe anga pēnia e kusio I aku from all these years of experience I he tau ngā we. My gut instinct is what I rely on, And it's really never failed me. So if I believe something is off, I know it's off, And it doesn't matter ki awia pe tui mahataha pe agree. He koawi, I rather stand alone, I rather stand alone any day than stand together just because that's what everybody else is doing. That doesn't make sense. So anyway, we're in challenging times. We're all adults, and you know, tau whenga pelele taha, and we're all entitled ke tau ngahi tui, pa koe aia ke tau whita aki ai, mo tukwaki ia hai mo hai. No, you know, you know, I think what Pitapua and his team are doing is great. They've helped so many people shed light on the issue. Ko ki foi issue pe ko ni o whato kehekehe te mini he fulai pe whamatariria kau tama me mau whahai, and I won't name any names, Ka koe ai pe ke mahino oku pepe taim ta whakakatai, and then at the same time o ki ai pe ai e mau ngahi tui malohi based on facts, Not just how we feel, not just, you know, ngahi talanoa maria ma whanoa ki ai, ka koe, you know, me whakahistoria pēnia o mea, o tō taha koe ni, pa mahu inga he hange koe ni, o ka pāte alo o deiti moha taha, pa kamata ke whakamato ato, you would want to know, you know, a little information about this person, Pa tok mahino lewa kia koe, o ka pau oku trustworthy, o ka pau wahano historia ia o na e toto creep around, I think mahalo e ao ngai ke make up your mind pe baka toko tahaini e faithful, long term baka toko tahaini oku just hang around for a good time, So it's the same concept. Ok tau whenga pe ke tau proceed with caution with certain things until trust but verify, Ko ai ko tau maro ia ton ke tau apply ke tau kau paipa. You know, trust, but I need to verify that, you know. Hok tau pahia tamano ki pausi ki tau tolu, So anyway, thank you everyone. And sorry if I made some people mad, you know. Forgive me. Say a prayer for me. O te ke kape mai kau, Se ke mbali, mo mau ia. Anyway, bye guys. Ofat ke he tonga kotoa pe you know, let's keep doing what works, and then whatever doesn't work, don't do it, okay? Malo apito ofat. Bye.